Are you ready to transform the way you communicate? Imagine commanding attention, inspiring trust, and leaving a lasting impression every time you speak. With the Complete Presenter Workshop, you'll master the skills to captivate your audience, deliver your message with precision, and project unshakable confidence, whether presenting face-to-face or online. This transformative workshop brings together two of the most sought-after communication programs. Think on your feet and the skilled presenter. It combines them with hands-on practice, empowering you to communicate with impact, influence, and authenticity. Whether you're answering tough questions, presenting complex ideas, or delivering a keynote, the Complete Presenter gives you the tools to thrive in any situation. Through hands-on activities, expert coaching, and proven techniques, you'll learn how to structure your thoughts on the spot. You'll deliver presentations that resonate with clarity and impact, and overcome nerves, presenting with confidence. Are you ready to be unforgettable in a client meeting, in the boardroom, the conference room, or on the stage? Join us for the Complete Presenter Workshop and unleash your full potential. Visit indigobusiness.co.uk/COPR to learn more and secure your spot today. The Complete Presenter, because your message deserves to be heard.